You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Italian food name pronunciation. For more names of delicious dishes from Italy, stay tuned. There's going to be loads more here on this channel. Alright, so the spelling is a little bit confusing, but it's easy once you know. In Italian, the pronunciation is as focaccia. Alright, so let's break it down. Fo, then ca, because it's a single C before an A, so that's not a CH sound, not a ch sound, but a ka sound. Focaccia. Now you have a double C before an I, and that's a ch sound. And because you have a double C, you need to stress on that ch sound. Focaccia is how the Italians would say it. Focaccia. Focaccia is how you say it. It is a type of, let's say, pizza without any toppings. Now you know. Stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.